In a full housing joint, a rectangular recess is cut across the entire length of the board. Let's take a look at the procedure to make a full housing joint. Step 1. Take 2 wooden pieces, cut and trim to size. Select and mark the face side and edge. Step 2. Start by marking out a dado. Place the wood and determine where you want the dado joint to sit. Measure the wood with the tape measurer and mark the point for the dado and mark a line all around the face and side edges of the piece. Use a marking knife to scribe lines across the width of the side member. Remember, the width of the channel will be the same width as the wood to be inserted into it. Step 3. Set the marking gauge approximately to 1/3 the thickness of the shelf member to scribe the bottom line of the groove. Scribe a line between the marks on both the edges. Once you have marked out your recess, you can now cut along the lines with a saw. Step 4. Support the wooden piece against the bench top and secure it firmly with a G-clamp. Saw along the marked line to the depth of the gauged line. Step 5. Use a beveled edge chisel and a mallet to clean out the excess wood. Chisel out till halfway and swap the piece to the other side and continue to chisel out the remaining wood till you are satisfied of the flatness. Step 6. Dry fit the pieces to ensure the 2 pieces sit flush against each other perfectly. Check if they are properly aligned from all sides. Step 7. Apply glue to the joining parts. Use a brush to apply glue to the joining parts. Apply glue evenly on both the members. Step 8. Insert the wooden piece on the housing of the other member. Tap them lightly with a wooden mallet to align it from all sides. Place the joint on a T-bar clamp and secure it tightly for the glue to strengthen the joint. Remove the excess glue with a damp cloth. Leave the glue to dry. Your full housing joint is ready. Let's quickly look at the procedure once again. Step 1. Square the wooden piece. Step 2. Measure and mark out the width of the dado. Step 3. Set the marking gauge and gouge the depth of the groove. Step 4. Support the wooden piece to hold it firmly and cut along the line. Step 5. Support the member firmly and chisel along the cut line. Step 6. Dry fit if they sit flush against each other. Step 7. Apply glue to the joining parts. Step 8. Assemble the pieces.